Imagine creating a 10-minute professional video script and an entire podcast in seconds using just a few web links. No more manual research or writer's block. Everything you see here was generated for $0 using Google's secret weapon. I'm talking about Google NotebookLM, the ultimate tool for content creators. And today, I'll show you exactly how to master it from A to Z. First, head over to the NotebookLM website. Since it's a Google product, just sign in with your Gmail and click Try NotebookLM to get started. To begin your project, click Create New Notebook. This is your dedicated space for research and content creation. Now, here is where the magic happens. You can upload PDFs, Google Drive files, or even paste YouTube and website links as your sources. Let's add a few links. I'm pasting a YouTube video link and 2 detailed articles about our topic. Click Insert, and NotebookLM analyzes them instantly. Once your sources are in, you can toggle them on or off. This allows you to ground your AI's knowledge only in the sources you trust. Now, check this out. Before we write the script, let's set the output language to English in the settings for a perfect overview. You can ask anything. Let's ask for the key points of our sources. See how it provides citations? You can verify every single fact immediately. Now for the pro tip, writing the video script. I'm using a master prompt that gives the AI a role, a target duration, and a specific tone. In seconds, you get a full 10-minute script based entirely on your sources. No hallucinations, just pure, researched facts. But wait, the default AI tone can sometimes feel robotic. Let's use my humanizer prompt to make it sound natural and engaging for your audience. Look at the difference. The sentences are shorter, punchier, and much more relatable. This is how you keep your viewers hooked till the end. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button for PC Error Detective right now. I share secret AI workflows like this every week. To save you hundreds of hours. Yes. Once your script is ready, save it to your notes. This keeps your project organized and ready for the next advanced steps. Now, here is a secret feature. You can convert your edited script back into a source. This allows the AI to focus only on your finalized content. Now for the visual part. Let's generate a complete storyboard. I'll ask for a table with image and video prompts for every single line of the script. Look at this. It generated nearly 90 visual prompts. You can take these prompts directly into tools like Midjourney or Runway to create your video. For example, I'll copy this image prompt, paste it into an AI generator, and boom! I have a high-quality visual for my script in seconds. But NotebookLM does even more. Check out the audio overview. This creates a hyper-realistic podcast discussion between 2 AI hosts about your topic. You can choose the style deep dive, brief, or even a debate. Let's generate a deep dive and hear how incredibly human they sound. Click Generate. This deep dive audio can take 5 to 10 minutes to process, so we'll jump straight to the finished masterpiece. And done.
Invisible negotiation like millions of times every single second.
Oh yeah, constantly passing massive blocks of memory back and forth.
Exactly. Calculating geometry, rendering textures, updating millions of pixels.
Now, If you need a quick video summary, just click Video Overview. Select Explainer mode and let the AI build a visual summary with text and images. Click Generate, and boom!
Welcome to the Explainer. So let's talk about that moment of pure PC panic. You know the one I'm talking about. Your screen starts to glitch, it freezes solid, or maybe it just goes completely black.
Single thing. And today, I'm going to
First move should be a very special keyboard shortcut. Seriously, this one little trick is an
We'll skip the wait. Check out this result for PC Error Detective. It adds perfect subtitles and relevant imagery automatically. Next up is the mind map. With one click, NotebookLM visualizes all the connections between your sources. It's perfect for seeing the big picture instantly. Need a blog post or a report? Click Report, select Blog Post, and the AI synthesizes your sources into a professional article ready for your website. For students or deep researchers, the flashcards and quiz tools are game changers. They generate study materials based only on your trusted sources, from research and scripts to full podcasts and videos. NotebookLM is the ultimate AI hub to 10x your workflow this year. Seriously, don't miss out on this. Stop wasting hours and start creating in minutes. All the prompts I used are in the description. Like and subscribe to PC Error Detective for more AI secrets.